Sentamuni Robati, Tuwagire Bobi, Kadongokamu chiba fai. Bobi wine, yalikulai, Kadongokamu chiba fai. Tuwagire Bobi, Ozala babere in the future. Kaluluka we Bobi. Tuwagire Bobi, emisology salweko. Kaluluka we Bobi, constitution ebe mwamakulu. Tuwagire Bobi, onange nkusaboka muwe. Kaluluka we Bobi, sentamu nkusaboka muwe. Bobi wine, yalikulai, Kaluluka muwe chiba fai. Uganda n'abali ebweru. Bobi wine, yalikulai, Kadongokamu chiba fai. Bobi wine, yalikulai, Kadongokamu chiba fai. Bobi wine, yalikulai, Kadongokamu chiba fai. Tuwagire Bobi, emisology salweko. Kaluluka we Bobi, constitution ebe mwamakulu. Tuwagire Bobi, onange nkusaboka muwe. Kaluluka we Bobi, sentamu nkusaboka muwe. Bobi wine, yalikulai, Kadongokamu chiba fai. Bobi wine, yalikulai, Kadongokamu chiba fai. Luno, elentu mzomana. Luno, uyomu wa Bobi. Bishop, Tuwagire Bobi. Shake, Tuwagire Bobi. Father, Tuwagire Bobi. Sister, Tuwagire Bobi. Brother, Tuwagire Bobi. Abali Uganda n'abali ebweru. Tuwagire Bobi. Bobi wine, yalikulai, Kadongokamu chiba fai. Bobi wine, yalikulai, Kadongokamu chiba fai. Bobi wine, yalikulai, Kadongokamu chiba fai.
Dear fellow Ugandans, those here in Uganda and those abroad all over the world, as we start 2026, please receive my warmest greetings and those from the National Unity Platform. In the past year, thank you very much. In the past year, we have lost so many of our people. We lost Honorable Muhammad Sejirinya. We lost Comrade Alexander Marinos. We lost Rajiv Ruparelia. We lost Shaka Sari. We lost Bush Baby and many other valued Ugandans. May their souls rest in eternal peace. Be at the polling station as early as 5 or 6 in the morning. Those who stuff ballots, They do it very early in the morning before most voters turn up. Your presence will therefore be the first line defense against ballot stuffing. Now, after casting your ballot, after voting, please listen to this in capital letters. Stay at the polling station. The law allows you to stay 20 meters away from the polling table. Stay there and observe the rest of the process calmly and attentively. And we've always encouraged you, we continue to encourage you to use your camera. Even if the internet might be switched off, please use the camera and document on video everything that will be going on at the polling station. Please keep your eyes wide open at all times. When the counting ends and the results are declared, please remember that the law is on your side. Remember that. The Presidential Elections Act requires that once the counting ends, a copy of the DR form, and DR means Declaration of Results. So the law requires that a copy of the DR form must be immediately posted and displayed in a very visible place at the polling station for public view. Insist that the presiding officer at your polling station does this. Insist that the presiding officer, wherever you're voting from, pins a copy of the Declaration of Results form at the polling station, and please take a picture of it using your phone. Once the DR form is displayed, let as many of you keep and share that picture. We'll find a way that I might not talk about now of putting and bringing them all together. Now, to our polling agents and other volunteers, the law also allows you to escort the DR forms and sealed ballot paper boxes as they are transported from the polling station to the sub-county or division headquarters, where our agents will already be waiting and watching closely. We encourage you to please escort them, especially you, our brothers and sisters from the border community. Section 58 of the Presidential Elections Act requires all returning officers to electronically share with us in real time copies of each and every return form, tally sheet, and DR form. As soon as they shall have completed the addition of the votes in their respective areas of operation, we shall expect them to strictly comply with this provision of the law. Now, comrades, should the regime attempt to steal our victory, demand for it. Mukabanje. It is allowed in the law. Our Constitution guarantees your right to assemble, your right to march, and your right to demonstrate in case they rig election. Do exactly that without waiting for mine or for any other leader's order. Mukanonye, mukalonde, mukakume, era mukabanje.